Welcome YouTube, and we're back with the next one. So if you guys are keeping up, definitely you would see that I have already started the process of packing to leave. So this is the day off, so we are driving to the airport, guys. Yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm gonna take you with me on my trip.
Yeah, we're not go far.
We're not go foreign. We're not feel nice. Vacation, we're not have to pay for it. Jesus, we should have my position on that, you know. Yeah, but anyways, guys, I'll be going to Atlanta, Georgia, and I have a lot to update you guys on, so let's just see how it goes.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be down.
Love to see you shine in the night like the diamond you are. Yeah. I'm good on this side, it's alright. Just hold me in the dark. Oh, no one's gotta know what we do. Hit me up when you're bored. Yeah, 'cause I live down the street, so hit me when you need, and it's yours. All I hear is nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Oh no, no. We don't gotta lie. This is what you like, I'll admit. Nothing feels better than this. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know, baby, you never worry about what I do. And I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman, serve good things. Fist full of diamond, hand full of ring. Baby, you're a star, I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one. Let me be the give one you everything you want and need. Everything baby, you good need. Love and protection. Should everything make me your selection? Will you show you the way love's supposed to be? Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Yeah, well, baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be.
Hey guys, alright, so it's actually the next day. It's the next morning. I wasn't really able to finish off the vlog yesterday. Customs took forever and I was unlucky. If you know, you know. So that made the process even a bit longer, and I was just not in the proper headspace to finish the vlog as intended. Cause guys, I stopped and we went several places after. I went to Sam's, but I'm gonna show you guys over the process because we're supposed to go on the road today as well. I'm gonna start a new vlog though. I went to T-Mobile, I got me a plan. So sorry I wasn't able to finish off that vlog as planned. You know, things don't always go as planned. But either way, I'm kind of in a better headspace, or I'm moving into a better headspace. So I'll definitely be coming with the vlog same way, guys. Don't worry about that. But you know, things happen unfortunately, but I'm okay. So thank you guys for watching. This vlog probably short because I wanted to do so much more. But so I'll be definitely giving you some more content, but like probably longer and no stuff throughout this stay as well. Bye guys, subscribe if you're new, please like the video, and remember to watch the ads guys.